All right, so welcome back. So we are going to continue with the job, the slider section. Okay, we've downloaded the images we need. Yeah, let's go and add the images accordingly. I'm going to quickly open the folder of my website. Um, I believe you know how to open yours. You go to. I just added a shortcut here, so it will be easier for me to open it directly. Okay, so I can now open it from here. If you want to know how to add a shortcut, in case if you don't know, you can add it. Okay, you can add a shortcut by right clicking on the empty space on the taskbar, then point to toolbar, then click on new toolbar. Search for the folder you want to add as a shortcut. Okay, let's see if I want to add this but it's already added here as a shortcut. Or let's see if I want to add this one, I will open it and select it. This is added here. So you can easily open this from here. It will open the folder directly for you. You get the point. So that's how to add a shortcut. So I actually added htdocs as a shortcut here. I decide to add your exact website, the current website folder as a shortcut here, so that you can easily right click on it and open it directly from here. Okay. So but let me open htdocs and open online shop from here. Good. So we here, let's go to images. So these are the images we downloaded. This one is going to go to the maybe the okay, I'm kind of thinking, okay, using this one. Yeah, I'm going to use this one. This one will be at the first advert section, this one will be at the second advert section, right? Okay, let me check the extension of this one. This one is a WebP. If you check the extension, if you go to properties and check extension, you're going to see that it's webp.webp. You understand? I will just copy this name. I'll go back to our HTML. I will change this first one to fashion.webp. Okay, I'll go back to the folder again. I will get this one, product 3. Let me see the extension. Let me check if I will see the extension from here. Okay, JPG here. Product 3 JPG. You change this. Product 3 JPG. Good. Then I will now come to the image itself, to the main image section. Go and get this one, this electronics, right? Yeah. Product 1 JP is that okay? WebP, right? WebP, yeah. So you say web, WEBP, WebP. Now let's check what we have in our website now. Okay, see what we added. What we have now. Good. Things are working accordingly. Okay, but there's something I want to do now. I want to do this in such a way that, let's check something first. If you click here, go to responsive mode. Let's start from here. Let's see. So if I'm adjusting this, you see the size of this will be adjusting like this, which is not bad. Okay, which is not bad as a matter of fact, but I want to do it in such a way that this one is okay. You can leave it like this as it is, still okay. Okay, but there's something I want to do. I want to kind of do it. Let me see which one will be better. Do it in such a way that when I'm adjusting, this will be adjusting proportionally. Also, these ones they will be adjusting proportionally. Okay, let's try that one. Maybe I will keep this one by one side. Let me see which one will be better. Okay, so what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to kind of duplicate this one. Okay, no need duplicating anything. Let's just do this. Okay, let me duplicate anyway. Yeah, let me duplicate. I will still delete one, but I want to just compare to know which one is better, which one will serve me the purpose I need. Okay, in this particular one now, the first one, if you look first, you are going to see that it's two now. We have two sections that looks like this, right? Okay, but I'm going to work on this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a division inside this one. I'm going to call it slider inner container. Yeah, slider inner container. Okay, good. So you can now take this image inside here. Okay, now work on this slider inner container. We're going to, first of all, this slider, this, let's go to this slider container first. Okay, this thing will affect this one I copied to actually affect it, so that won't be need. I can easily adjust this. Yeah, so there won't be need for this one. Let me remove it. If I want to roll back to this one, I think I can easily roll back, because once I start a slider container, this particular slider container will be affected. You understand? So let me remove this. Let's use this one. If I want to roll back to this, I can still adjust my style to roll back to it. Okay, so let's search for slider container. We're there. So in this slider container, I'm going to make the height will be 0, so it won't have a height to be 0. Okay, then if height is 0, look at how it's going to be. Okay, so the height will just not be that visible. It will adjust this image like this, but watch out what I'm gonna do. I'm going to now go back here, this inner container. I'm going to maybe here, I will just come here, place it here. I'm going to make it just padding, bottom padding. Oh, before this one, I'm going to this where is it again? Slider container height 0, right? Yes, then I'm going to do position relative. Okay, then this one I'll do position absolute. Okay, top. Okay, sorry, in this relative I will still come back to that one. I'm gonna do padding bottom, give it let's say 50%. Okay, so so this one I will now maybe overflow hidden, do overflow hidden. So I will now come here, top 0, left 0, width 100%, 100%. Oh, sorry, 100%. Okay, height 100%. Yes. Then overflow hidden sharp. So I think we are getting there gradually. So let me check what we have now. Okay. I'm going to kind of, let's first of all adjust this like this. Okay, this is what we have. I'm going to reduce that percentage I give. Let me see what it will look like. Where is that percentage? 50% padding bottom. Make it like 30%. Let's see. Okay. Okay, let's make it 40%. 40%. Okay. Right. Think it's to be managed like this. Okay, then I will do the same thing to these two images. Okay, so what we are going to do now is we're going to go back here, create um create inner container just like we did here. So we're going to call it advert inner container. You understand? We call it advert inner container. So slider advert inner container. Move it in. You have to drag this one in a bit. Okay, shift this one inward until it matches. This is how it matches here. Good. So we're going to repeat the process. So we're going to make this one to have zero height. Let me search for it. Okay, give it height zero, height zero. Then um, position relative. Okay, then bottom padding, padding bottom, padding bottom. We say 40%, right? Yeah, 40%, 40%. Let's check. Okay, no, 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 we are going to, okay, okay, I'm still working on it first. We're working on it first. Yes, later we'll come back to this to see if it will give me what I want. Okay, so that inner container, we have to go back to it. You have to go back to it. Where is this? Okay, advert inner container. Yeah. Okay, good. Then here we're going to make it position absolute, top 0, left 0, width 100%, height 100%, height 100%. Okay, overflow hidden. Okay, let's see. All right, think we are getting there. Okay, but let me check something. The image is hidden. Yeah, let me see what happened to it. Let me see. Okay, this, yeah, this. Okay, I'm going to now convert this to flex so that it will adjust these images for me the way I want it. Convert it to flex. I will remove that flex from here. You know, this is a flex. I will put it here. So I will just go to this one, copy that code for flex and put it in the inner container. I think I will see it immediately here. Look at it here. You see that flex, this flex, um, flex, yeah, display flex. I'm gonna remove it from here. Then put it here. Okay. And even what do you call it again? This one should not be there. There's a place I put last child, not last child. Yeah, let me look for it because good advert content, not last child. Okay, I think that it's still okay. It's okay. So let's see first before we continue. Okay, we've gotten it. Perfect. We've gotten it. So we've set it where it should be. Now let's check this now. Um Let's go to responsiveness. Do you see what I'm talking about? It is a kind of adjusting proportionally to some extent, you understand? Okay, it's moving up. You see, it's moving up. Very good. Think that's what I want. That's what I want. Good. Even this one is also moving up as I'm moving it. Okay. This is what I want. Once it goes a little bit like this, adjust a bit like this. I will move this one to the next line. Okay. Okay. Let me see if I will give this, adjust this height a bit. This 40, padding but 40%. Let's make it like, instead of 40%, let's call it 35%. Let's see. 35%. 35%. 35% here. Okay. Awesome, I think. Okay. Yeah. I think not bad. Good, 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 good. So why we are by the time we come to responsiveness, as we are adjusting the size, we'll be reducing the size of this one a little bit. Okay, but that's okay. I think you are getting there. We'll continue in the next tutorial. Thank you so much.